In a stunning twist that's sending shockwaves through the tech world, Huawei has just unveiled the Ascend 91D, a powerhouse AI chip designed to go toe-to-toe with Nvidia's most advanced processors. After facing years of crushing US sanctions and a near-total technology blockade, Huawei has not only survived but is now leading a bold resurgence. It was 2019 when Huawei first introduced the original Ascend 910. Back then, it was seen as a bold attempt but still lagged behind Nvidia's leadership in AI processing. Fast forward to today, and the stakes have grown exponentially. The US export bans, cutting China off from the world's top semiconductors like the H100 and B200, were intended to freeze Huawei and China's AI ambitions in place. Instead, they lit a fire under the Chinese tech ecosystem. Today's reveal of the Ascend 91D is not just a technical achievement, it's a political statement. Early reports suggest that it delivers comparable and in some cases superior performance to Nvidia's H100 in critical inference workloads. And here's the kicker, it achieves this while being built on a 7 nanometer process compared to Nvidia's cutting edge 4 nanometer architecture. That's an astonishing leap in design efficiency and chip optimization. The Ascend 91D features architectural improvements focused on AI training, energy efficient inference, and supports massive parallel processing tasks critical for industries like finance, healthcare, robotics, and smart manufacturing. Huawei's chip architecture also reflects an intelligent design philosophy. It's not about chasing theoretical maximums anymore, it's about delivering real world efficiency. This is huge because Huawei's move challenges Nvidia's dominance not just technologically but economically and politically. If Chinese firms can now replace Nvidia's H100 with a domestic Ascend 910D, the entire balance of power in the AI and semiconductor sectors could start to shift. It also means American companies could face steeper competition globally, especially across Asia, Africa, and emerging markets where Huawei already has strong influence, and we've seen this story before. In 2023, Huawei shocked the world with the Mate 60 Pro smartphone, running on a domestically produced 7 nanometer Kirin chip created without access to US semiconductor tools. That moment proved that technological isolation could accelerate homegrown breakthroughs. The Ascend 91D represents the next chapter of that same resilient story, showing that Huawei, and by extension China, is playing the long game. The unveiling of the Ascend 91D signals the start of a new era, an era where global technology competition won't just be decided in Silicon Valley, but in Shenzhen, Shanghai, and beyond. Huawei's growing independence could reshape global supply chains, redefine tech alliances, and spark even fiercer innovation wars. Already, Huawei has announced that the 910C version of its Ascend chip will soon hit the domestic market, and many Chinese companies are lining up to adopt these processors. Given the political urgency around technological self-sufficiency, you can expect massive investment and rapid deployment of Huawei's AI infrastructure in China. The battle for AI dominance is heating up like never before, and the results will shape the next decade of technological power. If you found this deep dive fascinating, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates from around the world, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a major breakthrough. Drop a comment below and tell us, are we witnessing a new world tech order being born right now?